Hey everyone, I recently came across something pretty cool, and that is the PuPrime Refer a Friend program. Now, this is where you and your friend will earn rewards just for partaking in PuPrime's sign up process and other activities going on in PuPrime. But here's the twist: the amount that you earn will depend on the country that you live. All the full details are in the descriptions below, and I'm going to run through it in the video now. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. So here we are, guys, on the Refer a Friend page, and obviously you can join now just by going into this. But if we go a little bit further, you can obviously see how the process goes. So first you log into your PuPrime client portal. You grab your unique referral link, then you share that link with a friend who's interested in trading. Now, when your friend opens an account, deposits at least $500 and begins trading, both of you will get rewarded. Now, obviously, if you want to begin with creating an account, you can register, fund, and then start trading. And then obviously they have different platforms for you to start on: MT4, MT5, you've got WebTrader. Personally, I'm MT5. So for me, I'm quite happy trading with PuPrime. Now we're going to jump over to the T's and C's so you can see a little bit more about what this entails. So now let's talk numbers. If you're in a tier 1 country, think Canada, think UK, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and obviously several others across Europe, the rewards are bigger. So as the referrer, you can earn $20 when your friend opens an account, $50 when they make a deposit, and $80 once they complete the trading requirement. So that's up to $150 per friend. And then your friend gets $20 just for opening the account, $30 for when they deposit, and $50 after completing the trading. So it's up to $100 for them. Now, heading down to tier 2 countries. So if you're in a tier 2 country, meaning pretty much everywhere outside tier 1 list, the rewards are still solid, just a little bit lower. So for the referrer, $20 for an account opening, $30 for a deposit, $50 for trading, so totaling $100. And for the friend, it's $10 for an account opening, $20 for a deposit, $20 for trading, so it's up to $50. Which countries are tier 1? So it might sound a little complicated, but mainly Canada, most of Western Europe, and a few overseas territories. And tier 2 is essentially everywhere else. Now, it might sound a little complicated, but the idea is pretty simple. PuPrime gives higher rewards in some regions, but everyone gets something no matter where you're from. So what I personally like about this program is it's just not just free cash for spamming links. Your friend actually needs to go through the full process. They need to open an account, they need to deposit, and they need to trade. So it keeps things genuine. So I tried it myself. I invited a few friends and I could actually see the rewards showing up in my client portal. And since they also got their bonuses, I actually think it's fair on both sides. Now, again, if you do want to sign up with PuPrime, obviously go back to their homepage, or it's at the end of any page, and just click sign up. Obviously, links are in the description below, but go ahead, get involved, and get involved with referring your friends. So if you're already trading with PuPrime, then the Refer a Friend program is something you should definitely delve into. And if you are just signing up to PuPrime, then again, look at getting involved in the Refer a Friend program. Again, the country that you are in depends on the reward, but this turned into a fun little game for me where to see how much I can earn from the friends that I sign up. As always, guys, the links are in the descriptions below, so you can go ahead and get involved. And don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next video.